Arriba! I'm Christian Lloyd Parone, second year BS IT student from Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Today, I'll be presenting my project, a functional liquor store web application that I created using HTML for structure, CSS for design, and JavaScript for functionality. I was tasked by a client to develop this application, which allows users to browse products, add items to a cart, and place orders. Now, let me give you a quick walkthrough of how it works. Here's the homepage of the liquor store. As you can see, it features a clean design with product categories displayed at the top for easy navigation. If I click on a product, it shows the details including the price and an add to cart button. Users can review their items, adjust quantities, or remove products before proceeding to checkout. Here's the checkout form. This is where users can enter their contact details and confirm orders. Notice if I confirm order, this will pop up. So you will so it will require the information that it needed. Now for the final part, the about page. Here you can see our story, our mission, our values, and why do you choose this shop? And here's the relevant informations that you will be needed. And also, this also has a chatbot. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.